Okay, now question number 14 from the May 2023 Physics Unit 1 paper. Okay, so the question number 14 says a sportsman hits a ball with a bat. Okay, fine. The ball leaves the bat at a speed of 37 meter per second at an angle of 53 degree to the what? Horizontal as shown. Okay, so the ball leaves the bat at a speed of 37 meter per second at an angle of 53 degree to the horizontal. That's what we can see in the figure. So the question is asking to calculate the horizontal distance traveled by the ball before returning to the height it was hit from. Okay, so we need to find out the horizontal distance traveled, right, as it reaches the level from which it has been projected. Okay, so for that what we need to do at first is that we need to consider the vertical motion of the ball. Okay, so this is for 4 marks. Okay, so consider the vertical motion. Okay, so if you consider the vertical motion, we know that here as the ball reaches the same height the displacement would be 0 meter, right? So initial speed is what? The vertical component of initial speed, it is 37 sine 53 degree, that much meter per second, right? And displacement is 0, and acceleration, it is equals to what? It is equals to negative g meter per second squared, because what? The downward direction is what? Negative, right? And it will be moving freely under the force of what? Gravity. Okay, so we need to find out the time at first, like what's the total time of its journey uh, to reach the same level from where it has been projected, right? So we will use this formula, s equals to ut plus half of what? A t squared. Okay, so s is 0, so ut is what? Initial velocity, it is 37 sine 53 degree, right? Okay, ut minus half of g t squared equals to what? 0. Fine. So we have to take what? T common. If you take t common, what you will get? 37 sine 53 degree minus what? Half of gt equals to what? 0. Okay, so either what? T equals to 0, or what you will get? T equals to uh 2 times what? 37 sine 53 degree over what? G, right? So the total time of its journey, it would be, let's calculate it using the calculator, 2 times 37 sine 53, okay, over 9.81. Okay, so that would give you what? 6.6.02436 so I'm taking the whole figure to get the exact, correct, accurate answer. Okay, so now we got the total time of journey. Now we need to find out the horizontal distance traveled, right? So now consider the horizontal motion. Okay, s equals to what? Vt, right? Now what's the horizontal component of its uh, speed, of its velocity, initial velocity? Horizontally there is no acceleration, because horizontally it is moving with uniform speed. There are no resultant force acting on the ball horizontally, right? So it will be moving with uniform speed. So horizontal speed would be what? U horizontal, that would be what? 37 cos 53 degree, isn't it? Okay, that much meter per second. So we got the horizontal component of velocity, which is constant. So that would be what? 37, right? Okay, 37 cos 53 degree v times t. T is how much? T is basically 0.6.024 something, it keeps going. Okay, it is saved in the calculator, so we will directly multiply it to get the answer. 37 cos 53. Okay, so the horizontal distance traveled is 134 Okay, 134.145 4905 that much what meter. So what we will do, we will write it to three significant figures, which is 134 meter. Okay, so the horizontal distance traveled is 134 meter to three significant figures, and that's what question number 14 has asked for. Fine.